UNMC will soon be building a new administrative and research building at the intersection of Saddle Creek and Farnham.
Our Bella Caracta attended today's groundbreaking and shares how this part of a larger plan will impact the community.
1, 2, 3.
The ceremonial groundbreaking at the corner of Saddle Creek and Farnham.
Today, we again celebrate growth.
Making forward progress on UNMC's sprawling redevelopment across Midtown. A $105 million administrative and research facility is on its way. Leaders in the community say it'll deepen Omaha's healthcare footprint.
The research and care that will take place here will impact all of Omaha, our state, our country, and the world. It will impact patients and families and futures.
It'll also keep up with UNMC's growing research needs.
We've reached a point, though, where we are busting at the seams.
In the last fiscal year, UNMC researchers secured $250 million in awards to support nearly 1,500 different research projects. Inside this building, there will be computer-based research and experimental labs. Ultimately, the goal is to translate science into biotech products and innovation. Success stories in biotech development require
a brilliant scientist, investors, and space to grow. UNMC and Omaha are on the right track.
That's Dr. Michael Dixon with the nonprofit UNMC. It's an organization to help commercialize innovative ideas. Dr. Rebecca Gundry, chair of UNMC's Heart and Vascular Research Department, says the timing of the core building couldn't be better.
This space will provide new opportunities for our researchers to push their drug development programs to the next level by closely interacting with other researchers and accessing key resources.
UNMC, along with Unitech, will be housed in UNMC's Innovation Hub at Catalyst. Earlier this year, 6 News brought you these images of what that'll look like. It's expected to be completed in late 2024. On your side, in Omaha, Bella Caracta, 6 News.
The core building at Saddle Creek and Farnham is expected to be completed by February of 2026. Officials say they're also building a parking structure which will be owned and operated by the city.